Deaf, dirty bad mind, mommy do you so. Be a negative, you just a carry.
Yeah, I'll get that first. Wait, no, wait. Yeah. Go on up there now. Can't see a lot.
Cat today I got free in mind, you know?
Must have put no see the selfie like that.
Alright,
Rasta man, everything up being gay.
here we Bingy say, remember say boat no sail himself alone, cat, so no she alone. She no lonely.
That's your company.
Yeah. No, last time I turn away from beach, you can't.
I work still, I think talk to you the guest and you need to work. Just have to like it. Just have to like it, man. If you do that, you go to jail. It's prison time. Not to touch him proper, but you like crucial.
Words of comfort.
Yes,
Not touch him. Go put yourself in no trouble.
We touch a go. We touch a go.
She have got to do all the touching.
Yes, sir.
No, man.
Yeah, man. Not me.
Give me a take the proper.
Tempted, not mean
Yeah,
touch.
you were tempted, but you know, you have to have resistance then now.
Tempted,
Yeah.
not mean touch, you know.
No.
Yeah. This song go name Tempted. That no mean touch.
So me I go show resistance now.
Then no more say I go show how strong me is. Yeah, man.
Berries, put in a resistance.
Then no more.
Ball. Berries, sister.
Who shall tell me, you know? Say, y'all tell him, say, not even treading, I'm close, if not like, you know. Alright, me like the whole of you. But me not assault you. Who shall say him stay from you, fling word of comfort over top in there, you know.
Yes.
No man.
Over there, all words of comfort.
Yes.
And not drift near and
Nearer.
Your crew shall say him did it from around 12 the day, you know.
Yeah.
A true words of comfort. Yeah, man, him say when you catch 3 o'clock in the evening, y'all then a make a see ya, you know.
I take time I drift nearer.
Time I do it, I wonder if this girl I go kill him.
Yeah,
Or what I remember, this girl not like until the trade
Nine close.
you know. The man say, alright, him still a dash word of comfort for better now, you know. Because you know, fish a pick up and a come in.
Yes.
So shall say when you catch all 6 o'clock a evening, you know, girl not half water there yet, you know.
Yes, but tough.
Girl has puff up.
Shall say word of comfort just after you come up. Yes, and him a put it out. Yeah, man, him say, well, when you catch midnight, y'all reach right in. Lock and close. Yeah, man, him say when you catch all 10 o'clock, 10:30, man.
Tough-ins.
Tough-ins, man. Come in.
Yes.
Line
Yes,
against him.
yes. Line up by him.
Line against Steve. Put on words, you know, brother. What shall I say when you touch 12, man? And in shoulder, everything there, brother.
Yeah.
Head, everything.
The pan shoulder.
Yeah, down pan shoulder,
wet up
yeah,
shirt.
water.
Wet up shirt.
I say him cruel.
And you see all the time they feel 200 side, him
side
still not
can
touching
remember
me.
this
Yeah.
Yes,
you
brother.
know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Girl, they tell him so not even the threading and
Thread.
clothes him no like. So he say we might look Paul, girl head pan shoulder so now lay down.
Yeah.
And him stay so still not chew on round this yet.
It's a run.
Girl a ball, wet up in
crucial.
clothes.
You a patient man that I go ride donkey.
If he ride it, bumbo clap. I tell you
No
boy.
winner, man.
If he ride the donkey for chew boy.
Boy.
Words of comfort.
Him have
meet
more
anything,
than
man.
patient, you know.
Yeah, man, how you mean, man?
Mm.
Remember from day, man, the day, no, man.
Yo,
At 12 o'clock, at 12 o'clock at night, girl, at the
that's
pan.
hard for me, do me no know about
Me sure
another
about me
man.
too.
But me can't do that.
Me
Then
not have
when
that
me coulda done
patient.
want to tell you, say that to that, that's me talk to you
Remember,
for so
girl not
long.
like you, Brooksy. But you try to make him like you.
Me not believe me coulda got
Me
through
not
so
think
much
me coulda
hours.
got
You
through so much of
couldn't
that
do it,
either.
but Crucial did it. Yeah, man.
Me not-
Some other girl out there would have easier to like me than she.
Yeah.
When me now fi go through all the process here.
Of course.
And this struggling.
Of course.
And this heap of talking. How
No, what's that? Hey, hold on. No, but Brooksy I say what him say. But me I say Brooksy that one crucial I tell you them there.
No, me no want him to tell me.
So you want to know
But I
them?
want to be a one place and I listen.
When you have them to tell smarty.
That's right. Because them the words they so powerful.
Yes,
Me
them
want
are
to catch
cunning.
them.
Yes, them are cunning.
Yeah, me need to learn them words there. Yeah, me would have want to go to Crucial school.
Yeah, man. Him
Yeah.
keep class.
Well, I one
Yeah,
thing
man,
me
we
know.
want him
I one
trained.
thing me know.
Keep class.
I one thing me know.
We don't want him trained.
You see most of them the work there. You see most of hard work them. Me find out say the hard work them no pay off.
Them not pay off.
Me find out that.
A few of
So
them.
so a few of them, so that's why me I tell you say me couldn't go through that.
Because I can't bet me life I know that man Crucial married to
Maybe
you.
you would have
No.
lose after done so much hard work. But Crucial end up get pay off. That's very great, you know.
When me I
Yeah,
say
man.
Patient, man.
at the end of the
Man,
day, after
good works.
Crucial go through
Good
all
works
of
back
that.
on you know.
Yeah.
How much hours what talking for win that girl here?
Yeah.
You can't bet me life right now. I know him and Crucial still there, you know.
No.
No, but Crucial winner.
Where?
Matter
Where you
of
call
your
win? Anything you win a fear, you know?
You know if Crucial get 2 youth or so with her.
Well, we wouldn't know that. He never tell we to so
That,
far.
no.
Him and Crucial end up turn ways.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
that was all about the case.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so Crucial win. Yeah, man. Cause remember first beginning, you know, Crucial was the man we like her.
And she you know like nothing in a Crucial.
But you know when me look on, when me I say nothing really wrong with that for true. Because guess what? You have enough man, them like still do hard work for nothing at all. So
Yeah, Crucial hard work for game.
yeah. You see me?
man.
Crucial
So
get pay off.
you can get a pay off, but
Yeah,
you know,
But we say,
not the pay off for you did that
most
look.
man no really get no pay off.
You
No?
know, you know, brother. The thing might look away to you, you know. With the hard work, it sound away. But you see, when you want it, it coming like the work no hard.
True.
That's
Check
not
what
joke.
me I say to you.
That's
True.
not lie.
True.
Because look here,
Doing this for me, it going to be very
Hard.
hard.
but do it
But
for yourself.
doing this for yourself,
Like a piece
I
of
know
cake.
nothing. I know nothing.
check 11, brother, you like you'd have put in more and you'd have find more. They put in before that journey. Just remember good enough.
Like a crackhead find a little crumbs.
Remember good enough, man.
If you have a girl who you love, you know, you got shot over for her any hour the night, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or anywhere she there, you know, so long as you
trouble,
can reach
young
the
one,
on foot, you
have
know.
to okay if it
She
can
can
come.
come. Yeah.
I just that you need.
So, we can basically say, you will do anything for yourself.
yourself. Yeah,
True.
so it's all about yourself.
And you know, come hard neither.
Me and you know what it's like and love, you know.
Yes.
Loving a girl when I love you.
Yeah.
You know, say it's a burden you carry in a brother.
Yeah, man.
You understand me?
You are trying
Yeah.
to make she
And
like
you
you.
try to be a winner to the girl, you have to
Yeah.
make she become somebody like you to you.
True.
You know how much that take out of you, but you're not trouble. Yo,
No, because I work, I work.
trouble you, brother.
You better work, you work,
Trouble you,
man.
man. Yeah, don't trouble your brother. You have to just put in the hard work, as we say, you know.
Every day.
Yeah, man. Arrangement, man. Just like the man with guys got plant him gum brother man.
True.
They go up, they go sleep on a piece of board there. They go just there shine and clean every day. Yeah? And when you look at the split tail and then look at something they pack up back at this. But if you go work, you will see where your guys go do man. You will see a lot where your guys go do brother. Remember good enough.
Use up a finger then. Yeah.
You will see a lot. Oh, there we there man. Great man, greatness and bless up on yourself brother. Love on you.
Man doesn't respect you every time Rasta. Alright.
I like how you take care of your visitor.
Yes, man. Number 7. Me can't figure out that thing.
Now my number that you know.
Number 7 Bingy. Yes, I am.
You want to know that becomes my number. I'm my mother 7. I'm my band 7. You don't worry about that. You don't worry about that. You don't worry about that. Some nice, pretty rat. Yeah.
Sure.
Very beautiful. Such man, show me. Over there, so. And left the sexy one over there, so. And I show me them two, yeah. And I tell me, say, this a for $30 and this a for 40. So me say, how much for that two over there? So him say for 90. Me say, me want the one there we are for 90. Him look at me, put him draw and look up at me from head to foot.
So you
Me
say
tell
fish
him,
sexy
say, yes.
fish.
Yeah, me want that scale and cut up.
That sexy one there. Yeah. That same sexy one.
So him got you kind of think you can't afford him.
Him nah look for me as the kind of man
You afford it.
you can afford.
Like you can't afford to buy that.
Yeah,
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 man.
brother. So me tell him say that sexy one they over there so me want. Yes, look good.
That's something I best. I best. We sacrifice still in a brother.
I mean,
Every
always
time.
the best.
brother.
Every time.